Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a beauty blender. And for the first I'm going to using this Lakme foundation to show you how to blend or how to use the beauty blender. And first of all I was applying the foundation over my under eyes. You can see there I was just kept a bit of foundation and I took the beauty blender. You can see there was a sharp shape over the top of the blender. You can see there it looks like a sharp shade. You can see it seems like a egg shape, but it gives a very little sharp shape on the top of the blender. With that we can apply our concealer over our under eyes. You can see there guys, I use the sharp side of the beauty blender to blend the concealer. You can see there we have to use that sharp side of the blender to blend the concealer on your lower eyes and your upper eyes too. That's up to you. You can use that shape. And now I'm going to apply the foundation on the top of my eye. Again I'm using that side of the blender to blend the upper side of my eye. You can see there I was just tapping the blender. Blender can help you to blend your foundation and concealer very easy. You can see there how it blends. I use the sharp shade of the blender and this blender looks like a egg shape. Now I was just blending to the other. I was using the edges of the blender to blend the foundation over my eyes. For the concealer you can use the sharp side. Now I am blending. You can see there I was using the sharp side of the blender. You can see, and this blender looks like a water droplet shape. You can see I was using a blender like it looks like a water droplet shape. You can see there. And now I'm going to apply the foundation and I'm going to blend the foundation with the blender. You can see there I was using the flat surface of the blender. Once again I'm showing you I was using the flat surface, which you can see it's a part of down. You can see there it has a flat surface. I was blending with that. Even on my forehead also I'm using the same side of the blender. You can see there I was using the flat surface of the blender. You can see I was just tapping the blender, and that's the part of the forehead. And now I'm going to cheeks. Even for cheeks you can use the flat surface of the blender. You can see there I'm showing you can use that, and you can use the other side of the blender also. There was a shape of the side. You can see there you can use the side of the blender also to blend the foundation on your cheeks. You can use the side or you can use the flat surface, and that's up to you. You can blend it can blend the foundation with the flat surface or on the side of the blender. You can see there it looks like a curved surface. You can see there it's also help you to blend the foundation on your cheeks. And now coming to the chin part, I was just applying a bit of foundation over my lips. You can see and now again I'm gonna using the flat surface. Oh my god, you can see there foundation sticks to my hair, and I was just tapping the foundation and I was back to the video. And now guys I was using the flat surface and I'm blending now. This is how the way we have to blend our foundation on our face in a very proper and correct way. You can see there was no patch on my face of the foundation. You can see the foundation was equally applied over my face. Now I'm gonna blending on my sides of my nose. You can see that I was used the sharp side of the blender, and that's the video. Again I'm going to say you on our under eyes we have to use that sharp side. You can see there, and for the upper also you can use that, or you can use the side of the blender. And now for the cheeks we have to use the flat surface. on the down part of the blender, or you can use the side part of the blender. Now coming to forehead, you have to use the flat surface of the blender. And now coming to the under eyes, you have to use the side, or you have to use the sharp side of the blender, and that's up to you. You can blend into two ways. And now coming to the chin, you have to blend with the flat surface. And now coming to the nose, you have to blend with the sharp side. You can see there. I hope you will understand the video in a very proper way, and this is the way we have to blend our foundation. And you can see there, I have no patches on my face. I just use this blender to blend the foundation. And that's the video, guys. Hope you all love this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.